Welcome and thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you an affordable makeup. I don't know how many of you know this, but Sephora has their own brand of foundation and setting powder, and this is super affordable, and it comes in so many different shades. So if you want to know what shade I'm going to be trying out today or what it looks like, keep watching. I'll be right back. I'll get straight into this tutorial. Thank you. Welcome back. So I'm going to be using the Sephora Best Skin Ever, and this is in the shade 53.5N. It says it's medium to medium buildable coverage for the look of a natural perfect skin. So it is actually light. And then they also have their setting powder. It says Sephora translucent setting powder. So this is really affordable. Most setting powders are $40-50, but this is just 20 something Canadian dollars. So I'm going to be trying that out today. And as you know, I always encourage you to moisturize your face first. I'm going to be using Olay Regenerist, and for my wrinkle serum I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Revitalift. So this one I think is actually good. I used to have a lot of fine lines here, but I can see that it's actually plumping that up. You only just need a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Just 1, 2. So my face is all primed. We are going to use a brush to apply the foundation today. I'm just going to moisturize my brush with a little bit of rose water there. So like I said, the shade is 53.5, and this is what it looks like. So it comes with a pump. That way you can dispense just how much you need. So I'm just going to be dispensing this much, and I'll just spread it all over. Alright. Okay. Alright. So that is what it's looking like. As you can see, the color is really gorgeous. So this half of my face has foundation and this side doesn't. So you can see that 53.5N is a beautiful match for me, and then it's still able to complement my neck and my chest. So I'm going to go right now and do the other side. Okay, so as you can see, you only need a little bit. So just start small. That way you can build it up if you want. But this shade is really good, and the foundation is actually quite light. So it's actually feels like you're not wearing a lot of makeup. So even if the coverage is good, it's still not as heavy as it looks. So I'm just blending this out thoroughly. So you want to make sure you have no harsh lines between your face and your neck. And then you want to also make sure your hairline is well blended out. So you can just use even your hairbrush to brush the edges slightly. So this is what it's looking like so far, 53.5 N. So I'm going to be concealing underneath my eyes before I use the setting powder. And for that, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix underneath eye brightener. So this is a new one by Rihanna, and it's really light coverage. So that is good. So I'm just going to dispense that. And I have a tutorial of this on my channel if you want to check it out. So this is what it's looking like so far. So if you can see, I put a little bit too much on this side, so I just had to add a little bit more there so that they are equal. But I feel like I need a tiny bit in here just to blend the color properly. So I'm just being careful not to squeeze out too much, just a teeny weeny bit. So I'll just use my hand to dab that in there. So now I'm going to set with the Sephora translucent setting powder. Like I said, this is really super affordable, and I have used it, so it's good. That is what it looks like. This is translucent. I'm just going to set all over my face now. Okay, so far so good. It's really beautiful. So the setting powder and the foundation, excellent for price, excellent for quality. So it's a win-win for us. Okay, we're gonna speed up the other parts now and just finish the face, and then I'll do a final what I think. So this is the final look for the Sephora Best Skin Ever and the Sephora Translucent Setting Powder. So it's really good. This is in the shade 53.5N. Let me know what your experience has been if you have used this product before. And for those of you looking for affordable makeup, this one is a sure banker, like is the way to go. So thank you so much for joining me. Please let me know what other tutorials will you like me to show or talk about. And until next time when I bring you another exciting episode, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.